So when you go on passenger side, it's located behind this. To open this, you just open this, just pressing it, just don't break it, lightly. So this comes out. Same thing on this side. Once you get in here, it's gonna be right in there, right there. It's like this. It's Duralast brand, blend door actuator. That's the part number if you need to look it up. And this is what it looks like. So it should be sitting there like this, and it's located right in here. So what you want to do is remove this by clicking. That comes off, and then next thing what you want to do is grab a small flathead screwdriver. Just carefully when you do it. What you want to do is get inside here, lightly pry it, just like that. And same thing, there's two more in the back. There you go, and that's how you raise it up. And that's how you take it off. That's what it looks like, the old one. So it's sitting right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's get to the new one. This is the new one. So what we have now is a new one and an old one. The old one's facing this way, and my new one's facing this way, and this one's facing that way. So what you guys need to do is you can either put an old one and then adjust it as so it fits this thing. Another way what you can do without rotating, what you can do is turn on your key to the on position. You can start it or on position like that, and then move your heater cold, hot, and once you move cold, hot, this thing right here, this thing's gonna move. So you can move it to the location you need it to be. You can even move it to where the old one was, and that should work too. Or you can do it manually. I took mine out so I can do it manually. It's easier to put it in there, old one, because I don't care about this one, and move it. Or you can use, like I said, the key and move heater where you want it. But to do that, you got to make sure this thing is plugged in. Once it's plugged in, then you should be, when you plug it in, you should be able to see it, what position it moves on. So I put my new one right in place. Make sure you lined up that. Wiggle it, line up these holes, and then you can close it. Snap on these. One here, one right there, and two in the back. Once this is tight, you can put this back and make sure you check everything works, and you're good to go. And if it still doesn't move, you might want to double check the fuse. Make sure the fuse didn't burn. That one's located under the hood. To close this one, just push in this. So the fuse that's for the door actuator, it's on, for my truck, it's under the hood. So when you open the hood, you have to get, this is the fuse box for my truck, mine's 650. And probably maybe the screwdriver. Once you open it, mine's located this one right here. It's supposed to be actually 10, not 15, but that's the one for my truck. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.